I was his favorite grandchild. First of all, he took me to the Cheder, you know, every day. He was proud of me. He paid for the Cheder because he wants me to be educated. He would want me to be a rabbi. He used to go to a Cheder, and was the melamed, was the teacher, which was the Rebbe, not rabbi, but Rebbe. He was the Rebbe. He was the teacher. He used to have a handle with leather. This was the whip. In case the kids didn't study, you get over, you're behind, you know, sometimes over behind, okay? And so you were, this was authority, you were afraid of it.